what a great start to September with this wet rain.
This is good stuff, right? I mean, anytime we get rain, especially this time of year when things can get tropical, but this is untropical, if you will, non-tropical. We had one little system in the Western Gulf, but there are two other tropical waves to keep an eye on. So let's get going. We've got a good shot here outside at the hill where the winds are calm and the flags are still. On a cloudy night, we've seen rain come to an end here for now in this, northwest part of the city, but there are some showers near downtown. 79, north and northeast breeze about 3. To the runways of San Antonio International for today's high of 89, so just below average, 0.02 of an inch in the rain gauge today. Better totals elsewhere that I'll show you in a moment. But first, wake the kids and phone the neighbors. I've got West Texas on the screen. Look at that from KENS 5 eyewitness Mike Viator. Beautiful sunset over Sonora. And Sonora has seen a lot of rain. As a matter of fact, they're going to be under a flood watch for tomorrow. Here's some of the better totals for us. 1.5 inches near Medina Lake and St. Hedwig. 3.5 plus just northwest of Hondo. 1.5 inches near Del Rio. Farther south and we get closer to 3 inches down I-37. I'll tell you, between Cotulla and Tilden, a lot of rain as well with a flood advisory there. So just one little strand of showers moving into downtown. Then also up around Fair Oaks and Bernie, some light to steady rain continues tonight. Same at Bandera and same north of Hondo. Most of the rain thinning out across the hill country, but this has really been the hot spot. I mean, think about it. Saturday, Sunday, both, a lot of the rain was focused to our west and northwest. This is all beneficial rains for not only the drought, but of course the aquifer. Down I-35, and you see some of these storms moving west into Carrizo Springs tonight. There's the flood advisory I mentioned for Sonora, and then we have one down to the south of San Antonio. So tomorrow we're still going to see some more rain. Now you can see the drought monitor is going to give you an idea of where we need it, and it's falling right on the target. We've got one little pocket of extreme drought and then a pretty good area of severe. San Antonio is still in moderate. Now, West Texas and even north central areas of the state getting a lot of this heavy rain. This front's going to be dropping farther south tomorrow, so here comes even more. Tomorrow morning, 4 a.m., we could be seeing some light rain up the I-35 corridor with a couple of heavier pockets to the west. Looks like it could be thinning out between 7 and 8 a.m. That would be nice. And then as we get into the afternoon, look at midday into 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Widely scattered heavy downpours are in the forecast for sure, and these should continue through tomorrow night. So a weather impact alert for Tuesday as showers and thunderstorms will create a lot of ponding. Be extra careful on the roads and allow some good time. Now the next couple of days is we're going to get most of this rainfall because we dry out by Thursday and Friday. So 1 inch to 1.5 inches expected in the San Antonio area. To the tropics, our little area of low pressure has dissipated, but a 40% chance this develops into Francine in the Caribbean and moves across the Yucatan by about mid-September. All right, here's the 14-day forecast. 89 tomorrow with that 50 to 60% chance of rain. We'll keep a 30% chance in Wednesday, Thursday, but not widespread enough or impactful enough for a weather alert. Friday, maybe a lingering shower, but a dry weekend waiting for us. And the second half of our 14-day, dry with highs in the mid-90s.